House is the official residence and workplace of the President of the United States. Located in House complex consists of the main building, the West Wing, the East Wing, and the Executive Residence. The main building, known as the White House.
The Institute of Islamic Art and Architecture. Proposed program outline for teaching drawing art using a pencil over the course of 10 sessions, along with a description plan for each course and the tools needed. Course 1, Introduction to Drawing. Description: this course introduces the basic principles of drawing and familiarizes students with the necessary tools. Course plan. Overview of the course and its objectives. Introduction to different types of drawing pencils, HB, 2B, 4B, and their uses. Basic pencil handling techniques and mark-making exercises. Practice drawing simple shapes and lines. Tools: drawing pencils, HB, 2B, 4B, sketchbook, eraser, sharpener.
Course 2, Understanding Form and Proportions. Description: this course focuses on understanding and accurately depicting forms and proportions in drawings. Course plan. Introduction to the concept of form and its importance in the drawing. Exploring basic geometric shapes and their applications in representing objects. Techniques for establishing correct proportions in drawings. Exercises to draw objects using basic shapes and proportional guidelines. Tools: drawing pencils, HB, 2B, 4B.
Course 3, Value and Shading Techniques. Description: this course delves into the use of value and shading to add depth and dimension to drawings. Course plan. Understanding the role of value in creating realistic drawings. Introduction to shading techniques such as hatching, cross-hatching, and blending. Techniques for achieving contrast and gradation. Shading exercises render simple objects and create the illusion of form. Tools: drawing pencils, sketchbook, blending stump/tortillon, eraser.
Course 4, Perspective Drawing. Description: this course teaches the fundamentals of perspective to accurately depict three-dimensional space in drawings. Course plan. Introduction to perspective and its role in creating depth. Exploring one-point and two-point perspective and their applications. Techniques for establishing vanishing points and drawing objects in perspective. Exercises to draw simple scenes and objects using perspective guidelines. Tools: drawing pencils, sketchbook, ruler, eraser.
Course 5, Still Life Drawing. Description: this course focuses on the art of still life drawing, including composition, lighting, and capturing textures. Course plan. Understanding the importance of composition in still life drawing. Setting up a still life arrangement with objects of varying shapes, sizes, and textures. Techniques for observing and accurately depicting object proportions. Practice rendering textures and capturing light and shadow in still life drawings.
Course 6, Portrait Drawing. Description: this course delves into portrait drawing, teaching students how to depict facial features and capture likenesses. Course plan. Introduction to facial proportions and anatomy. Techniques for drawing eyes, nose, mouth, and ears. Methods for capturing likeness and expressing personality in portraits. Exercises to create portrait drawings from references or live models.
Course 7, Texture and Detail. Description: this course focuses on capturing texture and adding intricate details to drawings. Course plan. Understanding the importance of texture in creating realistic drawings. Techniques for depicting different textures, such as fabric, metal, or foliage. Practice capturing intricate details in drawings. Exercises to combine texture and detail in more complex subjects.
Course 8, Landscape Drawing. Description: this course explores the art of drawing landscapes, including elements like trees, mountains, and water. Course plan. Introduction to the key elements of landscape drawing. Techniques for representing natural features, such as trees, mountains, and water. Understanding perspective in landscape drawings. Practice creating landscapes with a focus on composition and atmosphere.
Course 9, Life Drawing. Description: This course focuses on drawing the human figure from life, emphasizing anatomy and proportions. Course Plan. Introduction to life drawing and its significance in understanding the human form. Techniques for capturing the proportions and gestures of the human figure. Understanding basic human anatomy relevant to drawing. Exercises and poses for drawing the human figure from life or references.
Course 10, Developing a Personal Style. Description: This course encourages students to develop their personal style and explore individual expression in their drawings. Course Plan. Reflecting on personal artistic preferences and influences. Experiment with different drawing techniques and approaches. Incorporating elements of personal style into drawings. Creating a final project that showcases individuality and artistic growth.